Is Bitcoin set to crash after the retracement here we have done? Is it about to literally crash from here, or are you going to expect to get another rise? We're going to cover everything clearly in today's update. As always, make sure to stay till the end. It's extremely important to get all the information, okay, so do not misunderstand something and you really get everything. But anyway, on this being said, let's get started. So first of all, what we were playing the last update was, very simple. You just have to retrace from here. Okay, we just, in that case, take the case that the yellow wave 5 is in, and so in that case we look for the white wave for retracement directly here, okay? And so in that case we just accept that right here we've got the wave 3 as a shortest, and now we can do it. We already recognize that on the on some lower time frame really, but now we have the confirmation that even here you can see that we can on such time frame even get the wave 3 here as a shortest. Now in terms of price, but in terms of time, you can verify this by yourself. This wave 3 right here is the shortest, so now we can just accept that and say okay, the wave 3 can be the shortest now. So anyway, let's now see what we can expect. So we have done in that case the yellow wave 5. It means that we have done the white wave 3. The white wave 3 have the smaller wave 5 waves and the smaller 5 yellow wave, by the way. Once we have done this, we can simply do what to find a wave 4 targets. You just have to pull your retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root. Okay, so let me just where is this? Right there. This is a wave 3 root, so we can look for this, and let's go with 350. Let's go with 350. It will be better like that. Yeah, so we just have to pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root, or as always, it depends if you reversed your tool or not in your settings. I did reverse my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom, but if you did not reverse your tool, so to speak, you have not to get that. It's from the bottom to the top. It's the opposite of what I'm doing, really. Okay. But anyway, so from here, you're going to add your 23.6 MC fib, so 31.32 and 38.2. These are the targets you have to look for the possible wave 4. So to speak, this right here is the buy zone. Okay, this is a buy zone for the wave 4. If we start to break this, it's not looking good at all. And here, if we start really to get acceptance below this zone of price and really get no swing through pound or fair auction below here, we're simply going to look for a drop into 30,700 minimum. Okay, can be a lot bigger than this, of course, but minimum 30,600. So yeah, this is a zone of price that is really a must hold if you want to see high on Bitcoin. If we don't hold this, we're going to look for 30,700 minimum, as I said. Another thing is, okay, it's cool if we bounce from here, but what target we can expect here to the upside, what price we can look for here above us? Well, it's very simple. You just have to take your extension tool this time, place it. I'm just going to go on a bit of a bigger time frame, so it's easier for me to pull the extension tool. You just have to pull your extension tool. Which one is the good one here? Here and here. So you have to place your extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. So let's take the case that the wave 4 bottom is in, just to show you how you can find your targets. First target is as always 618, and we have the 120 extension, then we have the 1618 to 618. The premise with the two first target, so to speak here, 618 and 120 extension. This brings us with a truncated wave 5, so to speak a wave 5 that stopped before the wave 3 top, and this as always is less probable in terms of probabilities. So we more likely look for the next target, the one that is not truncated really. So here it is a 1618. From the 1618, so to speak, around 39,000 really. If we start breaking the 39,000, we are simply going to look for the next target, 41,600. Okay, these are the two most probable targets if and only if, okay, the bottom is in. So right here, first target above us, if we really get a bounce from here, second target above us. Is it still possible to make, for example, just a swing for pan retrace? Yes, it's possible, because we have the 120 extension here. Do not respect it. I mean, do not really respect the target. Do a swing for pan, come back down, and yeah, we just retrace from here. Yeah, it's possible. It's just less probable, as always. That's it, really. Okay, so yeah, these are the two most probable targets above us. Again, if we do a bigger wave 4, for example, let's take the case that we go to the MC fib, then you just again take your third click of the extension tool and place it on the wave 4 bottom. If the wave 4 go on the 38.2, you place it on the 38.2 here. I mean, on the wave 4 bottom, we're going to do it. So in that case, bam, this one normally is not the first one because we have, as you can see here, a double top, but as this is a 1618, this one is never well to the dollar, so it's fine to go a bit above, spend some time, then retrace. So this will still be the first target. Okay, but for now, if the bottom is in like this, then these are the targets. We can remove these two ones. and look for also of course a swing for pound at the top, but if there is no, we can look for this 1618 or 2618 of the extension tool. Okay, so this is a zone of price really we don't want to get acceptance below. If we start losing this really, not just a week but really getting some calls, getting acceptance below here, then this is not looking good at all for higher directly, and we are going to expect a big move to the downside here around 30,700. Okay, into that target, what you have to do by the way to trade is simply read an order flow. This right here allows you to see what's happening behind the market, so you can really make some informed trading decision. Really, you can see what's happening behind the market, so it's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, it's hard to be wrong when you're using this, as you can really see what's happening, really what's going on behind the market. So yeah, it really allows you, to make some more informed trading decisions. But anyway, so on this being said, this is what we can expect now. So I really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, if you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel to turn notifications. Thank you if you take the time to do it. And on this being said, I wish you a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.